In high school, I took a pottery class, and that was one of my favorite classes because it was like wet and clay, and like you got your hands dirty, and then at the end, you got to have an awesome product that you made. I want to do something with my hands and make something creative. My favorite math and science classes in high school, I took an AP physics class, and that really sparked my love for math. I knew I wanted to go into an engineering field, but I didn't know which one. What I loved about automating manufacturing at MTech is that you go into so many different fields of engineering. Right now I work at Close Guitars. We make carbon fiber guitars that are for traveling. I love working here, and I haven't even finished my schooling yet, and I got a job. How my job and my MTech course relate to each other is there was a section in automated manufacturing where we actually did a carbon fiber project. So my project that I chose before I heard about Close Guitars was to make a carbon fiber ukulele. I emailed the CEO some pictures, and they loved everything that I was learning at MTech, and they hired me almost on the spot. Going to school at MTech and being here at Close, I know that I want to go into mechanical engineering. From here, I'm going to graduate with my associate's degree, and then eventually I'm going to get a master's degree in mechanical engineering. With my degree in mechanical engineering, I would love to work in theme park design or anything with maybe being like a roller coaster engineer or something like that. I love this career path that I've chosen because it's going to allow me to be so creative and allow me to really express myself and be hands-on with everything that I do.